Down there, 4785, visual 31 left.
4785, 1080 tower, there'll be couple departures prior to arrival, wind 33022, gust 31, runway 31 left, clear to land.
31 left, there, 4785. Down there, 4760, 4785, we gotta go ground.
Endeavor 4785, roger fly runway, heading maintain 2000.
We're heading 2000, Endeavor 4785.
Endeavor 4785, turn left heading 250.
250, Endeavor 4785.
And Endeavor 4785, when you have a chance, can I have a reason for the go-around?
Yeah, of course, we got a guy thrown up in the bathroom.
Ah, alright, Endeavor 4785, in contact you, approach 125.7, they'll bring you back around.
257, Endeavor 4785, thanks. Departure, Endeavor 4785, heading 250, 2000 feet.
Endeavor 4809, left 340, Cobra Field, 10 o'clock,
340, we'll let you know, Endeavor 4785.
Endeavor 4785, New York, fly heading 140, and you want 31 left again?
Sorry, that wasn't first. Yeah, 140, and we'll take 31 left. We're gonna make sure the guy in the back's alright.
Alright, what was the reason for the car?
I got a guy thrown up in the bathroom.
Oh, that's good.
That's lovely.
Heading 180, I'll give you a little extra time.
Alright, 180 for Endeavor 4785. 2,000 feet, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Appreciate it. And departure Endeavor 4785. Looks like guys could be okay, they're ready to go back around.
Okay, flying 140, Endeavor 4785.
140, Endeavor 4785.
Endeavor 4785, left 080.
Left 080, Endeavor 4785.
Endeavor 4785, heading 040.
040 for Endeavor 4785.
Endeavor 4785, the field, 10 o'clock at about 7.
Field inside for Endeavor 4785.
Endeavor 4785, put a visual, 311.
Third visual, 31 lost, Endeavor 4785.
Endeavor 4785, 191, see you later.
19-1, hopefully. We'll see you maybe sometime tomorrow.
Sounds good.